Welcome back to Huson DIY. Today we're making prime lights.
Okay, so today's video we're going to be making, as Oliver said, some prime lights. Oliver got some bottles of prime. We had a supplier that managed to get us some, didn't we, Oliver? Yeah. So secret supplier though, secret supplier. So this one, Oliver, what flavour is that one?
Metamoon.
So that was Metamoon. They're empty. These are empty now, and that is
Lemon lime.
Were they any good?
Yeah.
Were they really any good?
I didn't drink that one until we did that.
Matilda drank that one. Oliver drank that one. Yeah. Okay, so we thought with the bottles, we're going to use them for water work. With what we thought we'd make something out of them. So we're going to make some lights out of them. Some prime Metamoon light, prime lemon and lime light. So we're going to use these LED lights here.
Yeah.
So these LED lights, they're just battery powered CR32 lights. They light up. Got a controller that we can control them with. We're going to put them inside the bottle so they light up the light. So we're just going to use some hot glue. So we've got this glue gun here. So the Ryobi glue gun, we're going to use that for the first time, see what that's like. Put a bit of glue on the back, inside of the lid, and it'll light up the bottle. So we'll crack straight on with it.
Yeah.
Okay, so the Ryobi glue gun is warming up now. We've got the glue stick in there. Just uses the Ryobi 1 battery system. So we'll leave that a few minutes. The red indicator light on there that it's on. So we'll leave that a few minutes to warm up. We'll then glue on there, stick it inside the lid, and away we go, and we'll see what cool effect it makes. Okay, so I've got a close-up down here going on of this. So the glue gun's ready. So I've took the battery out and everything out of there just so it's safe. I'm going to put some hot glue onto the lid and then stick this back bit onto the lid. So let's put some glue inside the lid, like so. And then we're going to drop that in. And then I can squish that in. And then that is in there. Okay, green one done, lemon and lime done. So we've done that one. So now we're going to do this black one for the Metamoon. So same thing, we're going to put glue into the lid. Like so. Get that. And then drop it into the glue. So we dropped it into the glue. Nice and easy. And that'll just take a few seconds to go hard. Next thing is we'll pop the lights in with the batteries. Then we can turn them on and take them to a nice dark spot. Okay, so one screwed on there, that works fine, so screw it on and the light comes on like that. That's fine, so we'll get the other one just to show you. So I'll get that. Oopsie daisies, all over the place. So put the batteries in, I'll show you that. Batteries in, like that. And then we'll put that down, screw it on like so, and then the light comes on. So just to turn it off, you can just unscrew it slightly, and that disconnects the batteries. Okay, so they're both screwed in, both working, just to show you the colours changing. So we can go green, we can go like a white colour, we can go like a flashing multicoloured LED thing going on. So we've got a few different effects to go with those lights. So green, red, white, blue, multicoloured. So we'll get these screwed onto the bottles, take them into a dark spot, and we'll see how cool they look. Okay, so we've got the light, we've got the bottle. So I'm going to put the lid onto the bottle, screw it on, and there we go, looking cool. And then we'll do the same with the lemon and lime one. Lid on, looking smart. Let's make sure the controls works. Green, white, multicolours, so they'll be flashing away. So put them into a really dark room now and see how they light up the room. They look really cool, don't they, Oliver?
Yeah.
Okay, so we've got them sat in the cloakroom there, looking cool. Make a nice little night light there, would they look ace. So let me just come in here and shut the door so we get to even more dark. 1 second. So they look ace. So we've got Oliver modelling them out here. Let's have a look, put them to your face, Oliver. Just put them forward a little bit. They look great, don't they? Okay, so we're in Oliver's bedroom. Got him on his bedside table. So in a second, Oliver's going to go turn the light off. Go on, Oliver, go and turn the light off. Ooh. They look cool. Shining bottles of prime.
Thanks for watching this video. Please like and subscribe.